Alright, welcome back everyone. Still plodding along with the MG. Last time I was doing all the carpet bits. I still haven't actually put the panel in down here yet, but I'm getting to that. But this time I'm going to put some Dinitrol in, which is just wax oil really. So I'm going to do it in the seals. I'm going to put some down in the pockets down there, bottoms of the doors, and in behind the wings. I'm just going to get the pipe and pop it through the rubber and just squirt some down in there, just to try and prevent it a bit. I've been looking to see if I can get into the rear chassis rails anywhere, but I can't, so I'm not gonna bother. As you can see, these have been hanging around a while, but I've got like 1.5 cans. I think that's about how much I put in the Rover, so I'll just chuck in as much as I can get in there, and that'll be it really. Right. Yeah, I'll do this and then I can move on with something else. Right, so you might have noticed I did give it a bit of a squirt up down in side of there as well, just to try and down in there. But yeah, I didn't really film going up under the wheel arches, but all I've done was just sort of got the other side of that rubber on the splash panels and just squirted a load in there. You can see it's done something because it's all dripped out, but that's the idea. So now we've got a load of that in the seals, got a load of it down in here, although I don't think it would have really mattered that much down in there anyway, because I think most of that's covered by doing it from inside the seal anyway. So anything's better than nothing. Right, so this is just going to be a quick one today of like trying to do a bit of rust proofing on the MGB. So that's that job done, so we can move on to something else and keep putting it back together. Right, thanks for watching, catch you all again soon.